mod blog, vlog, slog, bog, jog. So, it's the weekend. I've been cleaning my car this weekend. It's took me 2 days because of the weather and other things. Small mod vlog, because it's only a small mod. So, as I might have said, I got my car in June 2016, my Focus. And some of the early ones were delivered in February. So after about 4 months, I've had mine since coming out of the factory. So I thought, why not put the number off the production line in here? Look at this nice aluminium shaved thingy, courtesy of a gentleman in the Mark III Focus RS Club. I'll put his email and how to get one if you're interested into the... God, look at the state of the filth. I'll put all the details in the description. So mine was built. It was completed. It left the Sarlois family factory on the 14th of June, 2016. A guy I know from Instagram in Poland. His Instagram I'll put in the description. His was number like 330 and he got his in February. So they were pumping these out like big time. So I put mine there. That's where he's put his. I think it looks pretty cool. This piece of plastic's curved, so it's difficult, but I think it looks smart. It's, very centralised. I like that. From talking to a few people reckon there's going to be about 35,000 worldwide, which when you think about it, in a car like this, 35,000, not a lot. When you think of like the Vauxhall Corsa or something, there's probably like 100,000 in, the northwest of England where I live. So, it's a small amount of number. It's not 11,500 like the Mark II or 11,000. It was 11,000 and something. So, there will be a lot of them, but, a lot of them are already being crashed and written off. So, it sucks to be those guys, but at the end of the day, if you can't handle it, don't get it. So, so that's a small mod. It's not really a mod, but it's just something cool that I've got off the internet. I've got something coming in the post, so that'll be getting posted when I've fitted that. I'm not like one of them tutorials and stuff like, oh yeah, well, I just disconnected this and do that or whatever. It just is what it is. It'll go on and then I'll do it. The only other thing I need to do is I need to replace a mirror housing. Not a mirror housing, but the indicator. But I can see that at another time because it's got a crack in it and I'm getting condensation in my mirrors now. So I'm going to sort that out. So that'll be it. So other than that, my little build number plate installed. There's a bag of tissues and a tissue and a card for the company that did my window tinting. So there you go, a bit of advertising for your chai. There you go, Luna window tinting. If you're in Manchester, get him to do your windows because they look shit hot. Right, okay, signing off. See you later. Number 5,549 is out of here.